Yo guys, Victor here with another Everything Technology video. Today we're going to be checking out Google's latest and greatest, the Pixel 3a XL. This actually launched a couple days ago. Google sent it over, so shout out to them for that. But everything I discuss in this video obviously is my honest opinion. But anyway, this is Google's, budget lineup, and it's starting at $400 for the 3a model and $480 for the 3a XL model, which is nearly half the price of its bigger brother, the 3 and the 3XL. So we're going to be checking out what's new with this brand new device. Let's get right into it. Most of you guys are probably wondering, why does this cost nearly half the price of the regular Pixel 3 XL but looks the same? And by the way, speaking of the same, you get the same amazing camera you get with the Pixel 3 XL, and it's very rare to see. In fact, I don't know any manufacturer right now who's rocking a flagship camera on an affordable device. So when you really think about it, this is pretty damn game changing. In fact, Google might be setting a trend here for other manufacturers to follow on their next iteration devices, such as Samsung with their 10e or even Apple with their XR. Now, don't let the design fool you of this device. Although it might look very similar to the Pixel 3 XL, they don't feel the same. The 3a feels cheaper because it's rocking a polycarbonate plastic body as compared to that glass and aluminum finish you get with the more expensive Pixel 3 XL. And to be honest with you, this might not be a huge deal breaker for most of you guys, considering you're probably going to throw a case on this device anyway. Another thing that stands out with this device is that display. Rather than that 6.3-inch OLED panel with a notch you get with the Pixel 3 XL, here you have a smaller 6.0-inch OLED panel with a slightly lower resolution, coming in at 2160 by 1080 as compared to 2960 by 1440. Yes, it's a less sharper panel, but it won't be noticeable to the average consumer. There is no notch with this display, but the bezels are slightly bigger, and I'm glad that they're still using an OLED panel here, which you don't see with affordable devices, like for example the iPhone XR. Now in terms of specs, just like the 3XL, the 3a is rocking 4 gigs of RAM, a slightly less powerful Snapdragon 670 as compared to the 845, and it's also available in 64 gigs, while the 3XL also has a 128 gigabyte model. Besides those few things I talked about, this is practically the same device as its bigger brother, the Pixel 3 XL. You get that same beautiful camera that we all love, the same software experience, so expect the latest version of Android as soon as it drops. Of course, that same design, just in a cheaper body. That's not going to be a huge deal if you're going to put a case on this device anyway. If you're going to be picking up the Pixel 3a XL or even just the regular 3a, if you already picked it up, let me know which feature you're most excited to use with your brand new 3a or 3a XL device. This has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. If you want to follow me outside of my YouTube channel and you want to see what I do, you can check me out on my Instagram at VictorsFits or Twitter, same exact handle. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.